Start by watching till the end, as the best hack is saved for the last. Whoosh! Just like that, you're on your way to fresh horizons. But, hold on. Have your travel hacks lined up? No? Fortunately for you, I have 7 tips to ensure your journey is as smooth as a new jar of Skippy. First, roll your clothes instead of folding them. This tactic saves space and keeps your clothes wrinkle-free. Secondly, always keep a digital copy of your passport. If fortune turns against you, you're still protected. Thirdly, consider using a pill container for jewelry. It prevents your precious items from getting tangled. Fourthly, never forget to pack a scarf. It can serve as a blanket, a pillow, or even a fashion statement. Fifth, always place your heaviest at the bottom of your bag. This keeps your bag stable and feels lighter on your shoulders. Sixth, make use of Google Maps offline by downloading the map of destination. Lastly, always carry a water bottle. You can fill it up after going through security. Remember, the essence of travel lies in the journey. Make it memorable. Stick the end of it all, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel hacks.